just got some 100 octane right there. But when I was pulling in the driveway of the gas station, I had a really loud clunk, so I'm not sure if that was my sway bar or my top hat nuts were like loose or something. But hopefully there's nothing. I want to go to the I'm going to the canyons right now, so hopefully there's nothing. If it's a sway bar, then I can easily tell if something's wrong, and then I won't push the car. Generally, if the sway bar fails, it'll have more roll, which I can mitigate that by just driving slow. So yeah, hopefully nothing happens. I checked on it, it's tight, nothing's loose. And if it was something, it would probably just end binding. So I'll probably loosen the D-mounts that mount the bushings. But overall, hopefully nothing happens. So yeah, peace out, bitches. Holy shit, guys. So I was about to go on the canyon, and I was checking my sway bars, and look at this shit, bro. The fucking bolt fell off. Oh my god. And I was gonna go on the fucking canyons. So initially I had that not totally tight. I had it initially tightened like too much, so I backed it out, and this shit just popped out. Oh my god. Gotta trust your gut instinct, man, because this shit is no bueno. Oof, good thing I didn't go.